Are you in need of adding PST file in Outlook? Introducing SysTools Add PST Tool. A standalone tool to add multiple PST files to Outlook. Key features of the software. Add PST to label to add single or multiple PST files in MS Outlook. You can add both ANSI and Unicode PST file types. In Search Files option, you can search PST files in selected or all drives. MS Outlook should be installed and configured to import PST files. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Add PST Tool. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Software has user-friendly interface. You will see multiple options to add data, add files or add folders. If you are unsure where the PST files are located on your computer, then you can search automatic by clicking on Search Files option. Click on Add Folder to add PST files. Select the folder and click on OK button. If you added any wrong file, then you can remove that file by clicking on Remove or Remove All option. Select Profile allows you to choose the desired Outlook profile you want to add files. Now, click on Add to Outlook option. After the successful completion of the import process, the PST files are added and Microsoft Outlook successfully pops up. Click on OK. The status will be shown as a success for each file. If you want to stop the process in between, click on Stop button. Open your Outlook to assure if imported PST files are there, and you will see your added files. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.